Inhale slowly up. Exhale slowly down. Inhale slowly up. Exhale slowly down. Inhale slowly up and exhale slowly down. The same on other side. With inhalation, lift your head up. With exhalation, slowly bring your head. Inhale slowly up and exhale slowly down. Inhale slowly up. Exhale slowly down. Inhale slowly up and exhale slowly. Release and relax. Relax. Now for strengthening your neck muscles, take a palm and here this part has to touch the side of your forehead area. And now you're pushing your palm against the head and you're pushing your pushing your head against the palm. Now feel the tightness of your neck area. Hold, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, release and relax. Do the same with the other hand. Inhale, exhale, place your hand side of your forehead area. Apply pressure with your palm and apply pressure with your head. Feel the tightness of your neck area. Helps to strengthen your neck muscles. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, release and relax. Now lock your both hands. Place your both hands on your head area. Again pushing your palms towards your head. Head is pressing towards your palms. Again feel the tightness of your neck area. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now release and relax. Exhale. Now up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now little bit distance in between your feet. Now swing your hands all the way to right, all the way to left, all the way to right, all the way to left, to right, to left, to right, to left. Coming back to the stretch your both hands in front of your fingers, open and close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat your lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both hands at your shoulder level. Again rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, you are going to bend your elbows. Wrist up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift your both hands up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale down. Release and relax. Relax. Inhale. Exhale. Now little bit distance in between your feet. Inhale, lifting your both hands above your head. Now hold your right wrist with your left hand. Pull your hand up, right hand up. Now slowly inhale here. As you exhale, slowly bending your body to your left. Maintain the side stretch of the body. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up. Do the same on other side. You're pulling your left wrist up, lengthening your spine, lifting your upper body. Inhale here. As you exhale, bending your body to your right. Look up. Stay there for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up. Exhale, release and relax. Relax. Inhale. Bring your left palm on your right shoulder. Pull your right hand behind. Inhale here. As you exhale, twist your body back. Look back. Stay there for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. it. Release your hands, change. Inhale here. As we exhale, just relax. Here for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale here. Exhale, release and relax. Exhale. Both hands on your hips. Now inhale, bending your body back. Exhale, bend your body and try to touch your fingers on the ground. Again, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Come up. Release. Relax. Exhale. Repeat your next rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release and release. You can maintain little bit distance. Placing your both hands on your hips. Now repeat your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now, one leg bend. One. After the leg bend, let's switch to the left. Now, inhale, lifting your left leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change your leg. Left leg bend, right leg up. Left hand, heel bend. Try to move your arm. Try to lift your leg to the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release and exhale. Relax. Now, inhale. Lift your both hands over your head. Exhale. Bring your both palms down. Place your palms at the level of your. Now, let your left palm on the ground. Inhale. You're lifting your left palm up and looking at your left palm. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring your left palm down. Now, inhale, lift your right palm down, left palm up, look at your left. Twist your body, look up, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bring your both palms down this time. Now you're going to hold your both ankles with your both hands. Inhale here, lay down. Now hold your both feet. Inhale up. Exhale, you're going to take your body down wherever you can take. Wherever you're able to take your head down slowly. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now inhale, slowly lift up. 3 steps. Bend your right knee and bend your left knee. This time both hands to your ankle. 1, 2, both hands to your ankles. Okay, do it as a flow. 1, 2, both hands to your ankle. 1, 2, both palms to your ankles. Okay. 1, 2, both palms to your ankles. Now place your both hands down. Relax yourself completely. Exhale. Slowly exhale through your mouth. Now inhale, head and hands together, lift your body up. Exhale, release your arms. Slide your both feet. Give a shake to your hands and